Today we're going to bring some spring snap hooks. Now I'm going to use these for setting up my lights for back doors for the backyard. So we're going to hook up some of the actual strings and then hook this up within that. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So let me take you down. So we're going to set these up here because they're hanging. Now I'm going to set another one there. I'm going to set a couple of these here. Make sure they don't dangle. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to set these up with these hooks. All right, I'm setting up some zip ties and I want to set these up through zip ties. Actually, check it out what I use them for. So you see that I use them for my string lights that go all around. I hook them up there. There's another one there all around, so it's much easier to get them out. You see that one? Much easier to take them off. So when I come back after summer, take them off for winter. Look at that. I just got to unhook that one and that's pretty much it. That's why I concentrate on setting these up here. So if you're looking for something simple to use like I am, inexpensive, hope you guys enjoyed the video.